everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're unboxing and reviewing the HP newest 14-inch HD ultra-light thin laptop. This stylish pink laptop promises to deliver a great performance with its Quad-Core Intel Celeron Processor, 16GB RAM, and a whopping 320GB of storage. So, let's dive right in and see what this beauty has to offer. First up, let's take a look at what you get inside the box. As you can see, the packaging is sleek and compact, just like the laptop itself. Opening the box, we have the laptop wrapped in protective material, the charger, some documentation, and a Hubxcel accessory kit. It's always exciting to see what accessories come bundled with our new tech, isn't it? Now, let's talk about the design. The HP 14-inch ultra-light thin laptop comes in this gorgeous pink finish, making it a perfect choice for those who want their tech to stand out. It's incredibly light and thin, weighing just around 3.24 pounds, which makes it super portable for students, professionals, or anyone on the go. The build quality feels premium with a sturdy chassis that doesn't flex under pressure. Moving on to the display, we have a 14-inch HD screen that offers vibrant colors and sharp details. Whether you're watching videos, working on presentations, or just browsing the web, this display won't disappoint. The bezels are relatively thin, giving you more screen real estate to work with. The audio quality is decent as well, thanks to the dual speakers that provide clear and loud sound, perfect for media consumption and video calls. Under the hood, this laptop is powered by a Quad-Core Intel Celeron Processor, paired with 16GB of RAM. This combination ensures smooth multitasking and efficient performance for everyday tasks like web browsing, document editing, and even some light photo editing. The 320GB storage, split between 64GB eMMC and a 256GB card, offers ample space for your files, applications, and media. Plus, with Windows 11's, you'll get a streamlined and secure experience right out of the box. Battery life is always a critical factor, and the HP 14-inch laptop doesn't disappoint with up to 11 hours on a single charge. This means you can easily get through a full day of work or study without worrying about finding a power outlet. It's perfect for those who are always on the move and need a reliable device that can keep up with their busy lifestyle. One of the highlights of this package is the 1-year subscription to Office 365. This gives you access to all the essential Microsoft Office applications, including Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and more. It's a great addition for anyone who needs productivity tools for school or work. Additionally, the Hubxcel accessory kit includes a wireless mouse, a laptop sleeve, and a USB hub, which are handy extras that enhance the overall user experience. So, there you have it, the HP newest 14-inch HD ultra-light thin laptop. With its stylish design, solid performance, and useful accessories, it's a fantastic option for those looking for a reliable and portable laptop. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone who needs a dependable device for everyday use, this laptop ticks all the boxes. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and unboxings. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or if there's a specific product you'd like us to review next. Thanks for watching. and we'll see you in the next video.